it's Jessica. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today was a cleaning day. Today is Friday, but I usually clean on Thursdays because that way I have my weekend to myself, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to just relax and do nothing around the house. But I was busy yesterday, so I did it today. Either way, I pulled the camera out and filmed for you guys. That way you guys can kind of see how I reset for the weekend slash the week ahead. I didn't talk in the video, so it's gonna be just like a chill clean with me and just vibe to the music and just, I don't know, I find it to be relaxing, so I hope you guys do too. So if you guys want to watch me clean, then just keep on watching. As you saw, we did pretty much everything. I'm still waiting on some laundry to finish. I can go fold that up, but that's pretty much it. I feel happy, relaxed, chill. I have a candle going in the living room, in my bathroom, and you know, just setting the vibe. And it's late. It's like 9:51 because I started cleaning late today. I usually clean like in the mornings, but today I had something to do in the morning, so I just cleaned like around 2:30, maybe 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So it took me a while, especially because I was filming and everything. But yeah, that's kind of what I do on my Thursdays. This was more of like a deeper clean because I kind of went and like dusted and everything. But next week I'll probably just do more like a light clean, like maybe clean the bathroom real quick, like the toilet and stuff, because you know, you use it often, so that needs to be cleaned more often than everything else. And then just do like a quick pickup and maybe like wipe things down real quick, but nothing too serious. I try to like alternate, so one week I just like do a quick, you know, pick up and clean, maybe mop if like I find like it's needed, and obviously vacuum and stuff. And then on the second week I do more of like a in depth. But things are going to get dirty because I'm not really like a messy person, so sometimes I go like 3 weeks before I do like a deep clean and just kind of like maintain. So it's just whatever works for you. That's what works for me. And I've been finding that I usually take it like super hardcore of like, oh, I have to clean it this week, but I'm like, you know what, just chill, it's not that deep, just pick up, you can vacuum more quick. Like, you don't have to do a deep clean every single week. So don't get stressed out if you find that you're not keeping up with your place every week like some people do. I do that, but now I'm trying to like be a little more laid back. As long as everything's picked up, it's all good. Might be dusty, but you can't see it, so it's fine. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you love these kind of videos, let me know and I'll make more of these for you guys. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.